How to fix maximum brightness keep dimming on iPhone 12 iOS 18. So if you set your iPhone to the maximum brightness like this, and then thereafter you discover that the maximum brightness keep dimming on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily fix this without stress. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to fix maximum brightness keeps dimming on iPhone on iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once open the settings app, locate battery and then click on it. Then hang on for the battery page to open. On the battery interface, locate insights and suggestions and then click on auto brightness. On the auto brightness screen, just scroll down. Then you should see auto brightness. If auto brightness is turned on, then this is going to adjust the screen brightness of your phone automatically, and this can bring in maximum brightness keeps dimming on your phone. So go ahead and disable auto brightness. Once you disable auto brightness, you can now exit this page. Now go back to the control center, then adjust your iPhone brightness to your preferred choice. So once you've done that, then you're good to go. Then your iPhone auto brightness no longer keeps dimming itself automatically. So that is basically how you can fix max brightness keep dimming on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.